Hi, I'm Asyraaf. Welcome to Anisa channel. Today we're going to bake chocolate chip cookies and I'm going to show you how to do it. Come follow me. The ingredients are flour, custard sugar, brown sugar, chocolate chips, essence vanilla, 1 egg, cornstarch, baking soda, baking powder, salt, butter, and let's get started. So now, pour in the sugar and butter and mix it. And give it a good mix until it's soft. Mix it until it's soft and combined. And now pour in the egg and mix it again. Add in the vanilla essence. So now the mix is already soft and combined. So now let's add the flour. Add baking powder. Add baking soda. Add in the cornstarch. And the salt. And now mix it. So now the dough is combined. Add in the chocolate chips. Ooh, looks amazing. Now mix it. So while we're waiting for the microwave to heat, we're going to make the shape for the chocolate chip cookies. So now the shape is done. The chocolate chip cookies is done. Wow, looks so amazing. Can't wait to try. So the cookies is already baked. Let's try. See, look at the cookie. That's the cookie. Very good. Very soft. Thanks for watching. Bye.